back, my beautiful subscribers. It's your one and only source needed to help teach you all the top tips and secrets on how to become a high-valued feminine woman. So just kick back, relax, and let's walk together in discovering the power of being a lady. And remember, you never know who might be crushing on you. XOXO, a feminine female. Did you know confidence is not something we're just born with? It's something you develop as you go through life. And good news, because in this video, I'll be giving you the resources you need to feel like the strong, confident woman you were meant to be. Go grab that notebook and write these tips down. Number one, first, accept yourself. Accepting yourself as you are is the first step and key to growing more confidence. Nobody is flawless. I appreciate my distinctive features. I no longer compare myself to others because everyone was given their own journey. Keep in mind that you are sufficient just as you are. Number two, stop negative self-talk. Personally, I've been guilty of talking negatively to myself. What has worked best for me is looking in the mirror and speaking positive affirmations to myself. And whenever I notice myself negatively self-talking, I shift that and immediately speak good about myself. I love my hair, my kindness, my heart, wherever I can think of. You'll be astonished by how much this simple technique will boost your self-confidence. Number three, dress for success. They advise dressing for the job you want rather than the one you already have. Well, confidence follows the same rule. When I look good, I feel good, and that's what it's all about. Number four, practice good posture. My confidence can be greatly impacted by having good posture, especially while in public. Shoulders back, head high, and boom. I don't just look more confident, I feel confident. Number five, set achievable goals. Setting and achieving realistic goals can greatly increase confidence. Huge or tiny, doesn't matter. When I complete goals, I feel empowered and respect myself even more. It also gives me something to contradict my negative self-talk. It's all connected. Number six, try new things. You restrict your opportunity to develop your confidence when you stay within your comfort zone. When you push yourself above your comfort zone and explore new things, you force yourself to confront your fears and grow in ways you never imagined possible. Ladies, that is all there is to it. These are just a few suggestions that I've used to increase my self-confidence. Always keep in mind that developing confidence is a journey rather than a destination, and that you should be patient and nice to yourself along the way. So go out there and show your talents to the world, especially when you never know who might be crushing on you. XOXO, a feminine female.